Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our April challenge is to select one of these two layouts and use it 3 ways to create scrapbook layouts or cards. If you're a card maker, that's fine. Use this sketch to create 3 cards different ways. So what we mean by that is take that sketch and you can turn it counterclockwise or clockwise. You can flip it side to side, top to bottom. So if you would snap a photograph and upload it to our April album over at our Facebook group site, you may also be selected as one of the winners to receive a thank you card and a little gift from the Mini Kit Monday ladies. All right, now I created mini kits based off of this sketch, and I am on layout number 2, and the sketch I chose is this one. And my base paper is going to be French vanilla cardstock from Close to My Heart. And then the rest of my papers are scraps. No, I have one more 12 by 12, sorry. This 12 by 12 is from Fancy Pants called Lake Life, and it was a 2021 collection. The next scrap paper I have here, I selected it for this side, but let's flip it over to see who the designer is. It is Dear Lizzie, and this was a 2019 collection called Airplane, because the airplane's right there. Let me flip it over. But I selected it, like I said, for this side. Then we have this other scrap paper, which is from Amy Tan. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy. Amy Tangerine, and it's called Late Afternoon, and this is from 2021. I love this side here. I could easily just cut that and create a layout, but I did choose it for this side, so maybe I won't use that much because based on that sketch, you do have paper layers, but not a whole lot. Then I have this 12 by 12 ombre dotted paper that goes from a blue-green to a yellow orange to a red orange. Then I have this scrap paper, which is from Pink Fresh Studio. I don't remember the name of the collection. It's got to be a travel one from a couple years ago, probably about 3 or 4 years ago. Then let me scoot this paper over because I want to show you what else I chose from my scrappy stash. So I'm going to use stencils this time. And then I chose Let's Wander Becky Boonton collection from 2020. Instead of flowers, I chose wood gears. I do have some succulent stickers here in a sapphire blue. And I have this die cut of a bus, and it's on the road again. And then we have this puffy phone sticker, and then I have these wood veneer arrows right there. Sorry, going too fast. And then if you can see over here, because I don't want to pick up each one of these pieces, I have some acrylic pieces from Close to My Heart. So I have 3 stars, 3 hearts, and 1 circle. And then the photograph is at a friend that took a old gas station, probably from 1950, 1940. I need to ask him. It's probably 1940. And he turned it into like a little country convenience store and a like cafe. And my husband, as you can tell, is on a cell phone. So that's kind of why I chose this puffy sticker, if I can grab it right there. And he is having an adult beverage. I think we're there for dinner. So I'm going to just document kind of that everyday weekend. I think I'm just going to do little check-ins. So the thing that I did off camera was cut this paper 3.5 by 8. The next paper I cut 2.5 by 9. Then off camera, I cut this strip 1.5 by 10. So that's the paper layers that you see over to the right. And for my stencil work, again, here are my stencils. And then the colors that I chose for my collection is Chiffon by Close to My Heart, Glacier by Close to My Heart, and Bluebell by Close to My Heart. They're all water-based ink. I have my brushes out, blending brushes. So we're going to put that right some on there, and we're just going to go like this. And now I'm going to come in with the Glacier. And I'm going to bring that in, overlap a little bit, which will probably give me a green, a different green than the Glacier. It's more like a mint green. And I'm just going to fill that in like that. And then I'm going to come in with the chiffon. Oh, I did that already. See, I already forgot. I need to come in with the blue. Why did you scream at me? I need some blue in here. That's going to be that area right there. So see, this is what it's going to. Yeah. I'm going to do some splatters. I'm back, and I must apologize. I said that we would embellish this layout together, but we didn't, or I didn't. I apologize, but I'm going to go over it with you. And of course, you seen, and I gave you the measurements for my paper strips here. Then we did the mixed media, and then we splattered with Bluebell, or no, this is Bluebird and Honey Butter. And some splatter spread out, and that just looks cool to me, spidered out. I love it, love it, love it. Then for the wood veneer, I used black and sapphire. That's from. So that's all I have left over. And then, of course, the paper, because we only used strips of the scrap paper that I had. I am very, very pleased how my mixed media and inking turned out in these 3 spots. All right, I appreciate you all for stopping by and being a subscriber. If you're not, go subscribe. Not trying to make you feel guilty. Hit that notification button so you're notified every time that I'm uploading and releasing a YouTube video. Share my videos. The more, the merrier. Don't forget to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have that listed below. Their layouts went